This guy is already starting his foolishness. Look at how he look. Now he knows how to move the chair. So, welcome back to my channel. We're definitely getting ready to go on an adventure, and I got all 4 kids by myself. Katie's sitting here.
Mom.
Yeah. Okay, hold on, Mama. You're not going nowhere yet. Just gonna put the seatbelt on. The solo parenting vlog, and I don't know how many minutes, honey. Actually, I know they're trying to wait and see who else is coming. Hey. So it's me while Babe's at work with all 4 out of 5 of our brood. So I'm a little nervous. I've never been outside by myself with all of them before, so this is gonna be an adventure.
Mom.
Yes, baby.
Hi.
Hi.
Who did it?
Yeah, mommy phone.
Ooh. Mama. Mom.
This is the first time Tori's sitting by himself outside of the car seat, so he's a little excited. And we're off. I remember I was telling you guys on TikTok that depending on the agency you go to, sometimes your supportive housing agency will plan trips because you have a recreational side to the agency. And today we are going to Luna Park at Coney Island, and it's literally an all-day affair. So put some snacks, which for me is like, you know, healthy cereal in my bag, and some water because the kids didn't want anything else. They want to feast on fun. That's what they said. So we're off. He's finally calmed now that the bus is gone. Texting Babe, letting her know her son is driving me nuts. But it's a fairly empty bus for us, and I love that. But technically, Luna Park is all the amusement park side, and this is the outside. You ain't sitting over there. That one has to be new. That was not here the last time Mommy was here. Yeah, that has to be new. Are you feeling better? Are you sure? Yeah. You can look out the window? Okay. As you can see, the tantrum is over, but we have arrived. Yay! They still look closed though. Well, certain parts. The kids are about to get on. Good job. Hold on, let Mommy do. Say hey.
Hi. See, come on. Oh yeah,
Come
that
on.
one is.
Yeah, this one looks crazy. Yeah? Yeah, you're gonna, no, not this one. That one's scary for you. Whoa. The boys gonna get on this one. I can see Nacho. We're on the boardwalk. About to go get some free food. Nothing tastes better than free 99. And then we'll get back out so the kids can ride more stuff.
Which one are we doing first? Cause
There's a lot. There's a lot. You and Nacho discuss that because I'm not going with y'all.
Oh, I want to do the swing one first because that's the closest.
Tori, we're gonna. So they was on like that. No, she's not. Come here. Come here. No, Tatey. Nacho, get your. And Ash took a picture on the big chair, like how they had the big chair when we went for your birthday in Atlantic City. They look so funny together. Hilarious. Get her drink.
Ash is nervous.
He said no.
Yeah.
He just shook his head no. You nervous, Nacho, watching him? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do-do-do-do-do. So since the bus left later than usual, yeah. Yep, I told you it was gonna get higher and higher. Picks up. He was like, it does? And then when he seen it, he was like, well, nope, I don't want to go. Oh. Yeah, it's getting taller, Papa. Guys. This guy is so mad. Okay, we're gonna go. We got enough time for you to get on one of the kiddie ones. Pretty empty today, so it's kind of like free reign a little bit. You see them?
Up and away.
Up and away. Oh, he's about to pass this way. Only my biggest kid wants to get on here. There he is.
Yeah.
What? Even though most things in Luna Park is not open today, it's still pretty freaking decent. And Nacho was gonna ride this ride, but he didn't like the way the seats sat down. Everybody from my program almost rode it. The guy in the front is one of our rec people. Hilarious. Now see us, we have one child who takes saving the money lightly and the other child who just wants to do it. And look, the remnants of the water ride. Whoa! The boys riding this one. I was gonna let Potato go, but she's starting to stand up on the rides, and that's extremely dangerous, as you know. So she's sitting it out. I got the kids on this one. Me and Tori rode it. This is Tori's second time. Go, Tori! Hilarious. Potato is losing it. And it's crazy because she rode this. She just like her mama, any little height. Gotta run easy. Hi, guys. I was telling my other son, like, what a way to start your summer vacation. Hope I don't get a copyright strike because that ride over there is playing Poison. Whoa, this one is crazy. Oh, there they go. Oh no, that was empty. They're literally the only ones on this ride. Yes, baby. The next ride. Hi, guys. The rec staff having just as much fun as we are. Look. You're not getting on this. We're gonna ride this tiny one, but I want to see where these went. These two. I bet you can't. The day is over. How's everybody feeling with your wet butt? Are you sure, Nacho? Nacho got on 2 water rides. You have fun, Tatey? You have fun? Yeah.
In the tickler, Ash was like, no. When we went on the lightning ball again, I said, no, where's my mom? Where's my mom?
You guys are silly.